All right, family, this is step number 3 to my favorite beef meat pies. Final step. I have put them in the freezer. They are solid frozen. Final step. Okay. I'm going to individually wrap these meat pies up. Individually wrap them up here. Alright, let's see. Individual wrap. Have one here. These papers are kind of sticking or whatever the heck it's doing. Not doing what I wanted to do. Oh, here you go. So when I get ready to remove my meat pies, they're coming out individually. And I can cook them individually. So this is the final step of the meat pies. Just wanted to show you all. Once I wrap it in my plastic wrap, put it in the bag, and this bag is going in the freezer. I dated my meat pies. Yes. All right, fam. This made a simple meat journey. Just wanted to show you all the final step of my meat pies. All right, you all be blessed. Bye-bye.